How to become a host on Turo. Hello friends, welcome to another Turo's tutorial. In this video, I would be teaching you how you can become a host on Turo. So how do you go about this? The first step is for you to log in into your Turo's account via the website or via the application, whichever one is fine. So once you're logged in, go to the top right corner, you'll see the option become a host. So select that. And by selecting that, in order for you to become a host, it simply means renting your car, all right, or listing your car for rentage. That's what is the meaning of becoming a host, okay? So once you're on this page, scroll down and then click on Get Started. And then you'll be taken to the list your car page where you can begin the entire process. So this process requires a lot, all right. It requires about 11 steps. And then the first step is for you to enter in your location to ensure that Turo is available in your area. So by entering in the location, select the exact location, and then once the location is valid, the next button would be made available. So click on next, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you will be asked to enter in your vehicle identification number. Like I said, you have 11 steps to carry out in order for you to be able to become a host. So after this step, you would be asked to enter in your profile photo, and then you'll be asked to upload high quality photos of the vehicle that you want to list out. And once you've done that, the next thing is that you'll be asked to set your rates. All right, you'll be asked to determine your daily or your weekly rental rates based on your car's market value, location, and demand. And then you'll be asked to select a protection plan from Turo to cover potential damages during rentals. And then once everything is set, submit your listing for approval. Once approved, your car will be listed on Turo, and then you can start receiving booking requests from rentals. And that's where you are a host already on the Turo's page. So this is it. In case you're wondering how you can become a host, I'm sure I have answered your question. So go ahead, carry out all of these processes, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.